Everybody. This is just some brief instructions on how to complete the Analects extra credit assignment. All right, the Analects refers to selected speeches that basically captured the sayings of Confucius. So this is an assignment that goes with the teachings of Confucius. And if you look at the instructions on the assignment, you can see that what you're going to do is take a look at some examples from the Analects that were written thousands of years ago and try to, I guess, put a modern spin on it. Think about how they might apply to a modern situation. And so if you look at the instructions, you can see that you're going to read through the excerpts that I've provided. You only have to choose 5 total and do each of the 3 parts for each one. And 1 or 2 sentences say what you think is being said. So what do you think the statement from Confucius means? Then provide a modern example of the principle being followed, and then provide a modern example of the principle not being followed. And I've put one example up here to show how this might work. An example from the Analects, it said, "The master said, without recognizing the ordinances of heaven, it is impossible to be a superior man." And so my take on that was, as far as what it means, that you must recognize and acknowledge there's a higher power, that there's something more powerful and significant than man on earth. And then an example of this being followed in the modern context, studying and following a faith where at least a part of the practice is submitting to a higher power. And then an example of not following this could be living only for yourself and shunning the idea that anything that happens after death, other than simply death itself. So as far as the examples go, it's totally up to you to interpret the meaning of the Analects and then put your own modern take on it. Again, this is an extra credit assignment. If you complete all 5 and do so adequately, you can earn up to 15 points extra credit. I hope you'll consider working on this assignment. I think it would be beneficial to you, certainly for your grade, and also maybe a little bit of fun. That's where I'll leave it. Bye.